Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the bike is steady and the handlebars are aligned with the front wheel. Once steady, remove any dust cover or accessory sitting on the stem cap. Fit the correct hex key, most are 4 mm or 5 mm, into the cap bolt and apply steady, controlled counterclockwise force. You want to break any thread locking gently. Rapid force can strip the bolt head. Keep your other hand on the stem to prevent rotation as the cap begins to turn. Once the bolt is loosened a few turns, continue unscrewing slowly until the preload bolt clears the headset stack. You should feel the compression release. That's why you hold the stem in place. If it's not secured, the bars can shift or the headset bearings can unseat. Pull the bolt out straight, then lift the top cap away. Take a quick look at spacers and note their order and orientation. You'll need that for reinstall to preserve headset preload and alignment. With the cap removed, clean any grime from the bolt and cap threads and keep both parts together so nothing gets lost. If the cap is seized, apply a small amount of penetrating oil, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then retry with steady torque. Avoid hammering the key. Once you've done your work, reassemble by reversing steps. Replace cap, lightly preload the bolt to remove play, align the stem with the wheel, and tighten to recommended torque to avoid compressing bearings too much.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.